Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pavoni professional espresso machine. Now this machine was broken because it was looking from the group head, and it basically just needed a tune-up, as well as it had the power switch pretty much disassembled, so we basically had to reconnect and also replace many of the electronic connections that they were really in bad condition. Pretty much all of them were like really bad, so we just replaced almost all of the cables inside there, and did the tune-up, replacing the gaskets from the piston, gasket from the more gas from the piston, as well as the gasket from the side glass as well, and also these which were in really bad condition. It was pretty much almost impossible to remove them. This one was really impossible to remove. There's no way you can do it. Just for comparison, this is the exact same piece that I have over here, and you can definitely see this one is really bad, really bad. And pretty much as well, you can pretty much see the level of rust around the area, and as well as over here and here. It was pretty bad, in really bad condition, but after the tune-up, you can now see most of the rust is pretty much removed, and we really give it a good clean to make sure it was working perfectly. And now this lever is super easy to just raise, and everything's very well lubricated, as well as the steamer doesn't leak anything when it's up, and it's really powerful. It doesn't really leak that much, and as well, it's a little bit hot right now. So let's put a shot. Hopefully I got the grind set up correctly so we can see a good shot from this machine. You can pretty much hear the water going through the group head, and now we can just go over here. Half of the shot is gonna be well, kind of missed the marking here, but you can see it has a little bit of crema, and the machine is working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you for being behind the coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.